Hello, my name is Svetlana. I'm from Kyiv, Ukraine. I'm a member of Victory Church, Kyiv Victory Church with Pastor Gary Madava. I'm a student of ICCL. The next session will be the last session in the ICCL. What I want to say about ICCL. First of all, I want to say that this is the place of global transformations to prepare leaders and ministers, but not only ministers and leaders, but first of all, it prepares us to be disciples of Jesus, to be real His followers, worshippers in the truth and spirit. Here we have a big privilege and blessing to have men of God who teaches us, because they for us is an excellent example and pattern of the manner of life, how to walk in love, in faith. And I think that every student, but I expect this time a session, because it's the most blessed time in the year, where we are changed our mind, changed our heart. Sometimes it seems like the whole world is turned upside down, but it's really very important, because it is said, Jesus told that no one pours out new wine into the old new skins. And here is a place where God is making His own masterpiece for good deeds. And when the rain falls, the flood comes, the winds beats, our foundation is on the rock, and we won't be stumbled, won't be moved, won't be shaken.